What is an electric current? By KayScience.com. In this video, I'm going to explain what is an electric current. To do this, we're going to look at a very simple circuit and explore metallic bonding. Here is a battery, and by itself in a circuit, this battery is a cell. And here we have a bulb. The job of the bulb is to give out light energy, as the filament is heated as an electrical current passes through it. For an electric current to flow from the cell to the bulb and back to the cell, we need wires. We now have a complete circuit where the cell stores chemical energy, which is transferred to the electrons in the metal wire. Metals have metallic bonding, and we know in metallic bonding there are delocalized electrons. Now, in order to understand what is an electric current, we must first understand metallic bonding. Here I'm drawing a close-up of the metal wire. These red circles represent the positive metal ions which vibrate about a fixed position. These represent the free electrons. These electrons are free to move, and they move randomly, highlighted by the arrows which are in random directions. This takes place at all times in metals. There are always free electrons, which are always moving randomly in any direction. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. So now you can really understand how metallic bonding explains what an electric current is. Let's now focus on what actually happens in the electric current. So we know the cell stores chemical energy. Electrons are repelled by the negative terminal through the metal wire in one direction. These electrons have been drawn in orange to show how the electrons are transferring energy. We can say the electrons have potential energy, as they have the potential to make something work. When these electrons flow through the bulb or lamp, the electrical energy in the electrons is transferred to the bulb, which is given out as light energy and some heat energy. So energy from the electrons is transferred to the bulb as they flow through. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Mostly light energy is given out and some heat energy. These same electrons flow back to the positive terminal of the cell. I've drawn them in as blue to show how they are storing less energy. The electrical energy of those electrons were transferred to the lamp. And this is what an electric current is. The definition is the flow of electrons per second. The less electrons flowing per second, the lower the electric current, as shown in the diagram with there being less electrons flowing per second. So the less electrons flowing per second, the smaller the electric current. The diagram now shows how there are more electrons flowing, so the bigger the electric current. So the more electrons flowing per second, the bigger the electric current. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Pause the video here to practice the keywords. The answers will follow. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.